Hello everyone, this is Josie from Landpack. Today I'd like to introduce the capsule filling line behind me, and now I'd like to introduce for you one by one. This is a full automatic bottle unscrambler, which can sort disordered bottles into an orderly arrangement. And next is our 8-channel capsule counter. It accurately puts a specified number of capsules into bottles through vibration. The number of capsules can be set on the touch screen. And this is weight detector. The next is metal detector. This is Desiccant Inserter, which accurately puts desiccant into the bottle through electric eyes. Next is our sponge inserter. By coding with the vibrating plant, it inserts a single sponge into the bottle. The next one is our bottle cap feeder and 4-wheel capping machine. This is capping device to better fit the cap with the bottle mouth. And the machine speed can up to 40 to 70 bottles per minute. And the next one is automatic aluminum foil sealing machine. This equipment is our Inkjet Coding Machine. In this capsule filling line, the production data is injected onto the bottle bottom. This is how the eject hole looks. And the next is our round bottle labeling machine, which applies labels to the bottle body with high precision. Let's take a look at the operation of this filling line. That's all for the introduction of this filling line. If you have any further questions or need more details, please feel free to contact Landpack, contact me. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye.